In today's tutorial I will show you how to fade an image in Figma, but fade it in a vertical way, so from the bottom to the top or opposite way. So the simple way to fade an image is to just go under this fill section and just move this percentage to left or right, and that way you can fade an image in Figma. But what if you want to fade it in another way? What we can do is we will add a rectangle over this image. We will center it to the image, and what you want to do is you want to send this rectangle to the back, and now you go to fill and you go to gradient color. You put both of these colors to the back, to the black, and the second color needs to be transparent, so to 0. And you can change this to the left or right to fade it however you want, but to put the fade to the image, what we need to do is we need to select the rectangle and the image and click use as mask. And now this fading element that was on the rectangle was also added to the image. And now we can just change this transparency, this fade, however we want. Or you can just put this to the right side and this to the left side. And that's how you fade an image in Figma.